Well, hi everyone. We're going to show you 11 fun things to do in Chincoteague Island any time of year, even in those cold winter months. So let's get started with number 1. It wouldn't be a visit to Chincoteague Island without visiting the Assateague Lighthouse. The Assateague Lighthouse is a working lighthouse, and the hours of operation that you can actually go up in the lighthouse are from April to November on the weekends, but check online for their specific hours. It stands 142 feet tall, and it also was constructed in 1833. The lights from the Assateague Lighthouse can be seen from 19 miles out to sea. To get to the Assateague Lighthouse, it's a very short drive from Chincoteague Island. You can also bike it very easily, and then just look for signs for the Lighthouse Trail. The Lighthouse Trail is a short and beautiful walk. If you're visiting in the summer though, don't forget to bring mosquito repellent because you'll need it. If the lighthouse is closed during your visit and you're not able to go up, still put this on your to-do list because it's a beautiful lighthouse. Let's move on to number 2. Walk the beautiful beaches and collect treasures. This is an unspoiled beach. It is just absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful nature is all over here, and that includes seashells. And if you see beachgoers walking along the beach and bending over, you know they're doing the seashell stoop because there are lots of beautiful shells. And if you're visiting in the wintertime, you are going to find tons of beautiful shells that are complete. They're not broken because there's less people collecting them. So take a walk along these beautiful beaches and maybe you'll find some special treasures along the way. Any time of year is a perfect time to visit these beaches. Although if you're visiting in the winter, it can get pretty cold, so bundle up. Next on our list is number 3, one of our favorites, eating. And there are so many awesome places to eat on Chincoteague Island. There is fresh seafood all over the place. Oysters, crabs, you have steamers, you have Don's seafood. There is ice cream, there's Mr. Whippy's, there is just everything. There's cafes, there's bakeries. Just anywhere and everywhere on the island, you'll find wonderful, fresh food. If you're visiting Chincoteague Island in the winter months, definitely check online and make sure your restaurant is open, as some restaurants do run on limited operating hours. Number 4 is an awesome one. Bike ride and walk the beautiful nature trails on Chincoteague and Assateague Islands. There are tons and tons of gorgeous trails. They're great for biking, they're great for walking, they're all flat. And the great part is you can bike and walk these trails year-round. There's bike maps online that you can check out for Assateague and Chincoteague Islands. You can also plan your routes ahead of time or just come over and explore on your own when you get here. If you're planning on riding a bike in the winter, you may want to check online to see if the bike rental companies are open during your visit. You may need to bring your own bike, as some companies do close for the winter months. Moving on to number 5 and one of my favorites, shopping on Chincoteague Island. There are so many amazing shops here. There's decoy shops, gift shops. There's the regular souvenir kind of shops. There are just tons and tons of great shopping on this whole island. So definitely plan to spend some time doing a little bit of shopping when you visit Chincoteague Island. You'll definitely come home with a treasure or two, I bet. Main Street and Maddox Boulevard have tons of shops, but you will find shops scattered about the whole entire island. Number 6 is one of my all-time favorites, is enjoying the amazing wildlife and bird life that you'll find here on Chincoteague and Assateague Islands. There are so many different types of migratory birds that stop here on their way to wherever they're going. It is such an enjoyable experience any time of year, even in those cold winter months, to watch wildlife, because you'll never know what you're going to see. There are just tons and tons of different birds everywhere you go. Definitely make sure you have a camera or cell phone that you can snap some awesome pictures or videos of the wildlife that you'll 100% encounter down here. And if you have binoculars, don't forget to pack them too, because you'll definitely want to see these guys up close. Moving on to number 7 is a must. Enjoy a sunrise or sunset on Chincoteague or Assateague Islands. They are stunning. Each sunrise or sunset is different. They're all beautiful. If you want to see the sunrise, you're going to need to head over to Assateague Island to the beach, and you'll get to see the sunrise on the ocean. If you're not an early bird and you want to sleep in, that's okay too, because you can see beautiful sunsets on the bay side. So you can visit Main Street, and all along Main Street you'll be able to see the sunset over the bay there. Or you can also make a trip over to Assateague Island to the bay side and see the sunset there as well. A definite do not miss on your trip to Chincoteague Island and Assateague Island. Next in line is number 8. Search for wild horses and ponies on Assateague and Chincoteague Islands. If you're a fan of the story Misty of Chincoteague, you'll definitely want to find some of these awesome horses. On Assateague Island, you'll run into these horses in different locations. There's a pony overlook on the Woodland Trail on Assateague Island. You can walk or ride your bike and walk to the overlook, and most of the time there's going to be some horses out there. The Refuge Inn is also a great spot to visit some of these horses. They have a feed machine and you can visit and feed them there as well. They're absolutely beautiful and they'll come right up to you. The Chincoteague Pony Center is a great spot to visit with the horses. You can also hire a guided boat tour to take you to see the wild horses around the island. Number 9 on our list is take a drive around Chincoteague Island. This island is so awesome. The houses are so cute and quaint. The decorations that are on the houses are so adorable. There are just beautiful scenes every which way you turn. So if you're visiting in the cold winter months, grab a hot cup of coffee or a hot chocolate. Grab the family. If you're here in the summer, you can bring an ice cream along, but get in your car, drive around this amazing island. You won't be disappointed. Moving right along to number 10 is stroll along the Chincoteague Waterfront. You can also visit the famous Misty of Chincoteague statue here as well. This is a beautiful spot located right on Main Street. The waterfront area is just a beautiful spot any time of year that you visit. And if you happen to be here during the Christmas season, you'll get to enjoy the great decorations because Chincoteague has a celebration, Christmas by the Sea. The beautiful Christmas tree is lit. They have awesome decorations running up and down Main Street and along the waterfront area. They have this large pavilion right here. You can sit and have a cup of coffee or pack a picnic lunch and just enjoy this beautiful view of the Chincoteague Bay. It is just stunning here, and it doesn't matter if it's in the middle of winter, stop by this area. You will love it. Another must-do while you're visiting the Chincoteague Waterfront is stop by the giant love chairs and get your picture taken. The whole family will fit no problem because these chairs are huge. It's definitely a really cool photo op. And last on our list, but certainly not least, is number 11, take time and just enjoy the beautiful scenery that's on Chincoteague Island. Whether you're at the beach, or you're on the wildlife loop, or you're walking in the woods, or you're walking in town, the scenery is just breathtaking. Just take it all in and enjoy every second. It is such a special place here. And the great part is the scenery changes all throughout the year. So spring, summer, winter, fall, it's all amazing here. Thank you all so much for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful. Have a great day.